Hello everyone, my name is Lightning, and unfortunately today I could not get Aqua to come over. She was busy and has to work tonight, so I'll be doing this alone. But I'm not truly alone. I have my Pikachu with me. So today I'm going to be unboxing my new Turtle Beach X12 headset and the adapter. So let's start with the adapter. Let's see. At least the video is more exciting than just a DVD or a game. Wow. Does it just open up like... How does this open? Ah, there we go. It's basically the adapter. That's easy. And then we have all the paperwork or stuff. Okay, that was simple, easy. Now time for the more fun one. The bigger box. Just open this up. Maybe. Okay. This tape is very... Alright, maybe it'll open. I said maybe. It's got these things. They do not want me to get in here. No, that didn't work. Alright, I'm gonna cut into it. I don't care. Keep that open in case I might need it again. There we go. Finally! I'm in it. Okay, I got some cords. That must be why everything... I don't even know what those are. I'll find out later. Oh darn. Got all kinds of stuff coming out of here. It's like a little booklet. Let's see what's inside. I got a Turtle Beach sticker. And then some papers. And that is a user guide. That is definitely a user guide. Well, at least it tells me how to use the thing. Put that over there. Okay, that must be the PC setup thing it talked about. Bunch of cords. Jeez, I did not realize this would have this many cords. I must keep... Okay. What was the purpose of that being on there? Okay, finally. Here are the head. Here's the headset. Ooh, that is very comfortable. Wow. I can't wait to try. I gotta go try this out. This has been Lightning and my good buddy Pikachu. And until next time, see you later.